My name is Sean Cockrell. In this video, I'm going to show you how we move our cattle 3.7 miles with our Blue Lacy dogs into our pens at headquarters. In this phase, we're going to use two younger dogs to gather, bunch, and get moving the herd that's dispersed through this oak and mesquite scrub. Bust up when we threw down the dogs just to let the stragglers know that it was time to get off the protein and move with the herd. Looks like everybody has regrouped right around here at the windmill water tanks. So this is interesting perspective where there's this is funny. Okay, so we're coming up on the second gate that we're going through, but there's the pens way over there. I don't know if you'll see that way over there. I don't know, that looks like in this phase, we're going to use one older dog, Charlie, to move the whole herd that's already bunched. They're already moving, they've fought their initial fights and are being compliant. So we have one older dog with my hand coming up behind. We'll keep the herd moving together and move them through this gate pretty much in a single file, the way the cattle are comfortable moving. And then from here, we're going to take them down Red Peak. Here we're heading down the road off of Red Peak. We'd much rather go down the road than risk cattle breaking a leg or me breaking a leg. So we try to keep the cattle moving down the easiest path, which means less pressure, not more. So here the cattle, they know they're getting down to the short strokes and they're not heading back out to pasture. At this point, we've got them in a smaller catch and we're pushing them out to the top end of the catch, and they naturally want to go back, out into the brush, but we're actually taking them up higher ground where there's no brush and we have a set of pins. Now we're past the fifth gate, pushed them into the top coastal field where there's no brush, just a few trees, and then here we can just put all 3 dogs down, and this is, I guess, what we call the all hands on deck part. So me and my hand and dogs, at this point, 100% of these cattle are going in to those pins.